Hey all, Marc D, CutRock'R here. Well, I've got a couple of builds, a couple of fun builds for Dr. Dodge and Goat Hill. So Harry Hoon is, well, after his performance this year, probably the only thing he should be driving is a tank. So we've got a couple of builds for him, a power panel. And I like to do something different, probably to my detriment, but it's still fun and a challenge. I've built a casting called Duty by Zuru, so it's another Zuru warrior. So, in my traditional race colours, or national colours. And Harry's, well, there is a third build for him. He stole a car from Jay Leno and put the colours on it, and should be driving by anyway real soon. I can hear him. Oop, there we go. Back up, Harry. Harry's driving the tank, and he's looking forward to well, having some fun at Goat Hill. So don't forget to tune in. See Dr. Dodge at Goat Hill. And Harry Hoon, well, hopefully he can do better than last year. But hey, it's all good fun and good people running. So good luck to everyone there too. Cheers all.